Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create this simple Asian eyes makeup here, but mainly focusing on those who have uneven eyelid like me. I have recently realized that my eyelid has been really uneven for a while now, to be honest, and it didn't really bother me and it still doesn't really bother me, and I've gone to just accept it that there are times where I'll have double eyelids for both sides, and there'll be time where I'll have double eyelid on one left side and then one really uneven folded hooded lid on the right side, which looks like monolid at the same time. Today is the best example of having an uneven eyelid, which I feel like you guys probably wouldn't be able to notice, but my uneven eyelid is always on the right side. So I thought doing this video may give you guys some tips and tricks in how to make sure that the eye makeup that you will put on will look even on both sides, if that makes sense. I don't even know if this video will make sense or be helpful, but I hope this will help some of you guys and let me know what you guys think. But without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into this makeup look. I have already done my base makeup as well as my eyebrows off camera, but I'll put all the products that I use down below as well. Jumping straight into the eye makeup, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from BT Cosmetics, and this is the Signature Mood Shadow. I'm just applying this all over the lid space just as like a base. Next step, I find this really important, and that is if you have uneven eyelid, as you can see, I have like one that is like triple, one is like this. If I go like that, look, you can see it has already folded. Can you see? And like this is still like double eyelid, but my eyelid for this one just varies, but at the moment it's like triple. But sometimes it can go into like monolid. So what I like to do is that before I actually apply an eyeshadow on my crease line to deepen up my crease, what I like to do is make sure that when I apply is that both sides are actually even. And what I mean by this is that, as you can see, this is where my bone is. So when I fold like this, this is where my crease will be. And even if my eyelid is like this, you see, if it is like this, I can just push and get that crease line, and I just pretty much just push this eyeshadow into my crease to deepen up the crease. Because I find this really important, because by deepening up this area here, it helps to also enlarge the eyes as well, but also even out everything once you put like more eyeshadow or like eyeliner. It just all makes sense, you know guys. And I just apply this color and just going back and forth. Then I'm going back to the lid space and just apply a deeper shade onto the lid. And what I'm doing is just focusing this just under the crease line. And so I would open my eyes on and off to make sure that it's just staying under. I mean, if I go over, it's fine as well, but I'm just patting this gently into the eye space and then applying the rest on the lower lash line. Using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm just applying the darker shade from the palette and just focusing this on top of the lid space as well, just to deepen up the eye look. And you can see I'm just slowly just patting this left to right, applying the left over on the lower lash line, just blending the crease line just to make sure there's no harsh line on the crease. Now is the eyeliner, and I also feel like this is also really important if you have uneven eyelids, because you want to make sure that depending on how your eyelid is layered, you want to make sure that both sides is also even. The way I do it is that I find it easier to actually base my folded lid here. So this thing here, if that makes sense, this line here is like my guide to actually apply my eyeliner, if that makes sense. So that if my eyelid fold like this, it still evens out for the other side as well, because on my left side my lid space is much more thicker. Does that make sense? So I always do my right side first of my eye and then my left side. So if you have an eyelid that is folded like mine, my recommendation is to do the folded one first and then do the one that is not uneven. I'm using a brown eyeliner and I'm just pretty much just going to go and line this as much as I can on camera. As you can see, if I fold like this, you can't see my uneven eyelid anymore. All you see is the shadow on the top, because what happened, as you can see, I look like evil, but you can see that I have pretty much covered that lid space. So when I do my double eyelid, this is how the eyeliner look like. I know it looks really weird for guys, but this is just how I justify it. And you can see, if I zoom in, you can see that this look much more fattier here at the end, but that's only because where my eyeliner is actually where my folded uneven eyelid is at. So yeah, I have just tight line, curl my lashes, apply mascara and apply false lashes. I'll put the details of the products down below as well. Next, I'm actually going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. Other tip is to also apply false lashes, which I feel like false lashes actually help to even out my eyelid, especially my right side, as you can see, because it actually helps to emphasize my triple eyelid more rather than focusing on that other uneven eyelid at the bottom, if that makes sense. By putting on fake lashes, it also helps to push the crease up more and just deepens up everything. This is just like my theory, guys, okay, like how it works for me, but I find like lashes just helps to make my lid way more obvious than without lashes, because I have really short natural lashes and it just doesn't help me at all. Like if you guys have long lashes, by all means definitely curl your lashes out more, but for me, false lashes just work wonders for me. Next, I'm going to apply this glitter shadow onto the inner part of my eye just to brighten up the look a bit more. I love applying like sparkly stuff inside because it just helps to enlarge the eyes way more as well, which is great. For my lips, I have combined two different lipstick. One is from VT Cosmetics while the other one is Peripera. I've combined these two to create this beautiful curly pink shade, which I feel like matches with my dress as well. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look and found my tips helpful for those with uneven eyelids. If you want to see more uneven eyelid makeup, let me know down below what type of makeup you want me to create with my uneven eyelids. And yeah, if you have any questions in terms of uneven eyelids, again, just put it down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.